Hello friends, welcome to my class. So today let us discuss about a topic that's called system of forces. Before discussing about system of forces, we should know what is a force. See, force is nothing but a physical quantity which could change the state of rest or state of motion of a body. Okay, that is called force. And I am assuming that you know Newton's first law, Newton's second law, and Newton's third law. So that is about forces. Okay, see, force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. It means that it has a direction and magnitude It means that whenever we say we are applying a 10 newtons of force, we are saying what is the magnitude and also the direction of force. So let us take an example that, see, that's a duster lying on the table. Imagine this is a duster. Okay, so when I apply a force of 10 Newton, see, I am applying in this direction. It means that this force has a magnitude of 10 newtons and I am applying in this direction. Okay, next. See, this system of forces require a small, or we have one more small concept, that is plane. What is a plane? To be very simple, we know that we have this is called x-axis, this is called y-axis, and this is called z-axis. Okay, now if at all you see, this could be called as xy plane or yx plane. This is called as yz plane or zy plane. This plane is called as xz plane or zx plane. Okay, so this we can say it as 1 plane, 2 plane, 3 plane. First, next, what this xy is also called as 2D, two-dimensional, because we involve only 2 axes. Okay, now when we involve 3 axes, it's called 3D. Okay, so to know what is a system of forces, you should have this basic concept within your mind. Now, this system of forces can be broadly classified into 2 types. That's called coplanar and non-coplanar. Now, first you should know what is planar and what is non-coplanar. So this coplanar, co means what? Same. Plane. So if all the forces act in a same plane, then that force is called as coplanar forces. For example, if the forces act in this area, it is a single plane, then this can be a coplanar. Or if forces act even in this plane, then it can also be called as coplanar. Or else, if it acts even in this plane, this can also be called as coplanar, because there is no link between this plane and this plane. Okay, if I draw a box here, if I draw here, so this, the force acting in this is called as coplanar, because it involve only two planes. To be very simple, I'll give another example. We know carom board. We play carom board, okay? So we play carom board, and we know what is a carom. Okay, let us imagine this is our carom board. Okay, see, there is a striker in the carom board and all its coin. Okay, so all the coins in the carom board are in the same plane, that is, it's on the only one carom board. So such and all the forces acting by this coin can be called as coplanar. Or to be very simple, coplanar is nothing but a two-dimensional, and non-coplanar is nothing but a three-dimensional. Now, see this carom. If a person hit with the striker onto the other coins, if this hit this coin, obviously this coin will move in this direction or this direction or this direction. Okay, but all the coins will be within this carom board. Are you following it? When you hit a striker on the carom board, all the coins will be within the carom board. Means what? All the forces acting by the striker on the carom coins will be in a same plane. That's called coplanar. See that when you hit the striker do not jump or do not fly. Now, if at all I hit this striker and just this striker flies away, it just moves away, okay, then it is called a non-coplanar, because the z axis will be taken into action. If at all you see this one, this is my x axis and this is my y axis. So when I am hitting a carom ball, everything is in the same axis. Okay, that is called a coplanar. Means what? If all the forces are in the same plane, then such type of force can be called as coplanar force. And if all the forces are not in the same plane, then it can be called as a non-coplanar. Remember, coplanar, co means same, plane means in the same plane, non-coplanar, non-coplane. Okay, remember? So system of forces can be broadly classified into two, that is coplanar and non-coplanar. Any doubt till now? You could just comment me if you have any doubt. Now, this coplanar can be further classified into three types, that is collinear, concurrent, or we can say general. Okay, now what is collinear force, what are concurrent force, and what are general force? About these force we'll be discussing in the next video. Please do watch my videos and please do subscribe it. Thank you.